Microwave ovens can cook food incredibly quickly, reheating meals in just minutes. But how do microwaves heat up food so fast? A microwave oven generates electromagnetic radiation waves that cause water molecules in food to vibrate rapidly. This molecular friction builds up thermal energy, heating the food from the inside out. Microwaves only penetrate about an inch into food, so a turntable rotates the item for thorough exposure. The unique way microwaves energize water and fats allows near-instant cooking times.